Asibingeleleke ukwamukeleke kuyona ke laphana ke i-channel yethu. Sicela nisiqiniseke ukuthi uma usina kujoyina kumbe uqala ukujoyina kule channel yethu. Sicela nisiqiniseke ukuthi ke uqiniseleka ke laphana ke usubscribe button ukuzoyithola yeshisa ke indaba zomkhonto wesizwe. Umnumzane Reddy owakwenza kwa-official lapho khona egqoka khona ke irigela umkhonto wesizwe ngokusemthethweni lapha ke ngenkathi umongameli uJacob Zuma vela ke lapha ke enkantolo kanye neqembu lakhe mayelana nodaba lologo Thekwini. Umnumzane Reddy ubevele ke naye enkantolo ke namhlanje ecaleni abekho lona lokuthi ke umnumzane Reddy ke ubhebhethekisa udlame ngesikhathi khona ekhuluma exwayisa yabaholi bakuleli ukuthi uma beqhubeka nokuvimbezela umkhonto wesizwe ukuthi ke ungangeni kwi-ballot box kuzoba khona udlame olukhulu. Akungicaphuneleke le video eyayikhuluma kuyona.
This country will be turned into civil war. Today the campaign is not allowed to campaign and to be on the ballot paper.
Mbukelo wethu ke iyona ke video lena ke iyenze ke umnumzane uReddy ukuthi ke ayovela ke enkantolo namhlanje lapho ke khona ke icala lakhe ke umnumzane Reddy libe selihlehliswa enkantolo yalihlisela umhla ka-14 kuJuni kuwona ke lonyaka 2024. Sithe senza i-research yethu njengale channel sathola ukuthi likhona lapho ke abantu bamhlaba khona ngombuzo kweNyuzulu Africa bembuza ke mayelana nalolu daba ukuthi ngempela wayiqonde ukubhebhethekisa khona udlame yini ngokwensuku ngokusho kwakhe lamazwi uMr Reddy waziphendulela kanje.
Place that into its correct context. You know, we are reeling from the aftermath of the July riots and looting that took place in this country, where over 300 people were brutally murdered, 50 billion rands worth of damages caused, and millions of people were out of a job. In fact, people are still in fear of what had happened then. I am an advocate for peace, and we warned President Ramaphosa at the time that arresting President Zuma, will unleash these types of violence. And there was an inquiry that found that Zuma's arrest and incarceration was one of the factors that contributed to the riots and the looting. Now, the government must be told that President Zuma, enjoys wide support throughout the country. There will be anger. Now, what has happened here is if Ramaphosa adopted a different approach, and if the courts, the commission did not find that there was a need to arrest him and put him into jail because he did not attend a commission. Remember, Zuma was not found guilty of any crime of state capture or anything like that. He did not attend a commission hearing, and that's the reason why he was arrested. Now, if that did not happen, there would not have been riots and looting. Let's look at it like that. In the same way, the ANC chooses to go to court because it wants MK not to use a logo it claims that it owns. The name Umkhonto Wesizwe, the ANC says, belongs to ANC. The ANC did the very same thing to Cope. It took Cope to court. It lost in court. Now, I believe, and I'd like to believe, South Africans would like to believe, that the judiciary is independent. But would you blame us if we have suspicions when the judiciary in this country, especially the judge president and other commissioners, including the IEC, are appointed by the president of the country, who in our case is also the president of a political party?
Hey, kujubile nje ukubheka okhethweni nje iyona ke video le ayiphendula kuyona ke bembuza kweNyuzulu Africa mayelana nalolu daba. Bafowethu ke sekuwena ukuthi ke ngasekhaya ubona kunjani wena, ubona ukuthi uMr Reddy unecala ngempela yini noma alikho, kodwa ke lokho sekubeka kwena sohlangana lapha comment section.